Now I'm gonna install the NVMe. This is a 2 TB. Right. So the way you put it is you angle it a little bit, push it in. See, it's gonna be like that. See, it's floating. Now you push it down and you screw it in. Now I don't think you need a screw, but I'm gonna put the screw anyway. Use the screw that came with your NVMe. Since there's a place to put the screw there anyway, might as well use it. Alright, that's secure. Your NVMe is secure. Now you can put the heatsink. I already peel out the cover. There was a plastic cover here. I already peel it out. I peel it out. I can't find it anywhere here. Anyway, it's gone. So right here. Oh, I already took it out. So that one goes there, and this one goes here. Now that's done. Now we're gonna go work on this one. This one has 3, so here's 1, 2. So I have another one, and I don't know why. Where's the screw? It's supposed to come with a little screw. This one does not. Come on, Kingston, where's your screw, man? Oh, almost put the wrong way there. So same way, you angle it a little bit. There you go. And you put the screw where this one didn't come with screw. Come on, what's up with that? Kingston, where's the screw? Seriously, you don't add a screw. Oh, so I found a screw from the motherboard. They came with a motherboard. Hopefully it's the one for this one. And it is, yes, it's this for this one. Alright, so you see the teeth of the NVMe. There's a little hole in that side right there. Make sure when you put it in, there's a little plastic thingy that's sticking out this way. That's how you line them up. You cannot go put this way. It has to be this way with a level facing up. So just line up the slot there, and it should slide in, angle, and that's it. Right? Then you put it the screw. This one didn't come with screw. It's supposed to come with screw, like the crucial over here. It came with a screw, its own screw. This one did it. Luckily for me, there was 3 in the box of the motherboard for each one, so I got lucky, and I'm gonna be able to put this down. Otherwise, I won't be able to secure this one. Bad, Kingston. You're supposed to come with your own screw. You're relying on my motherboard. Alright, don't over tighten it. That's secure, and that's how you do it. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped you, and hope to see you next time. Have a nice day and goodbye. Thank you. Mahalo.